Hello friends, today is October 18th. We have to cut our Tindora plant and bring them indoors before the first frost date. I have them in 2 pots. We have to remove all the top branches and I'll be bringing these pots indoors. When I cut the branches or the stems, I usually cut the bottom flat. See, the bottom will be flat and the top will be in an angle. So we will know which side should go to the soil when we are planting. Plant has grown roots to the soil. We have to cut the roots off. When we take the stem cuttings, make sure that we have at least 3 nodes in one stem and cut the top in an angle and the bottom flat. So we will know which end goes to the ground. 1, 2, 3. Two, 3. I cut off all the top branches and we will be bringing these pots indoors. Got this many cuttings also, so each one has at least 3 nodes and the bottom is flat and the top is in an angle, so we can save them or overwinter them by planting them in a pot. One node goes under the soil. This will grow shoots from here. This is for only survival during the winter. You water it every week. Make sure that the soil is moist. Don't overwater them. Keep them in a place where they can get at least 6 hours of sunlight. If they don't get enough sunlight, supplement them with the grow light. In spring, when the weather warms up and the temperature goes above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, you can bring them outdoors. Usually in New Jersey, we plant them outdoors or bring the pot outdoors after Mother's Day, around May 15th. We can wash the pots before bringing them indoors to remove all the dirt and to prevent bringing any insects. I brought them to the basement and they will stay here until the next spring, but we have to water them every week. I have few other plants also in the basement. Get sunlight through this window, and I have a grow light also for 4 hours every evening.